Good morning, students. So today let's discuss system metrics for thick and thin lens. This is the figure 3.7. Let's discuss this figure. This R1, R1 is the radius of curvature for first lens, and this is R2, radius of curvature for second lens. So what we are assuming? We are assuming R1 and R2, and they are different. R1 is not equal to R2. R1 is the radius of curvature for first lens and R2 is the radius of curvature for second lens. What is T? T is the thickness of this lens. For thin lens we will assume T tends to 0. A and B. Here at point A, this ray that is coming from object O, this suffer refraction, and then point B, the ray again suffer refraction. What the objective? Objective is to find out the system matrix for thin and thick lens. Now let's recall what is system matrix. The system matrix is 2 by 2 matrix having coefficients A, B, C and D, minus A and minus D, that you are well aware of. And again we are having a translation matrix 1, 0, T by mu and 1. In some books T means the thickness. Here in our geometry, T is the thickness. In many books they used the term D. So T and D both are distance. Mu is the refractive index of the lens material. And what is R? R is the refraction matrix. T was the translation matrix. R is the refraction matrix. We know 1, 1 minus P and 0. What was P? P was mu 2 minus mu 1 by R. We will make P as P1 and P2. Now this lambda 1 y1 and lambda 2 y2, these are the coordinates of the ray for point A and B. Point A is having coordinate lambda 1 y1 and point B is having coordinates lambda 2 y2. Lambda 1 we know is the direction cosine and y1 is the height of the point from this axis. This is y1 and this is y2, that is height of this point B from this principal axis. What was lambda? Lambda was mu alpha. We know lambda was equal to mu alpha, direction cosine. Now the target is to relate this lambda 1 y1 with lambda 2 y2. Can be related as lambda 2 y2 is equal to system matrix into lambda 1 y1. Here at point A we are having refraction matrix. We are having refraction, so we will using refraction matrix. Point B we are having refraction, we will be using refraction matrix. So the system matrix will comes out to be 1, 1 minus P2 0, 1, 0 T by mu 1, 1, 1 minus P1 0. This is the refraction matrix at point P, refraction matrix at point A, and this is between these 2 points there is a translation, and we are having lens material, so mu is equal to, there is a mu belongs to lens material and T is the thickness. Now we multiply these two matrix and the result is multiplied by this matrix. So target is to find out the system matrix for thin lens and thick lens. So after multiplying these three matrix, we can easily comes to this equation 3.35. 1 minus P2 T mu minus P1 minus P2 bracket 1 minus T by mu P1, T by mu 1 minus T P1 by mu. What is this P1 and P2? Let's discuss this P1 and P2. This was our geometry. Here lens material mu, we are assuming here mu is equal to 1. Here we are assuming here mu 2 is equal to 1. So 4 point this refraction, this was point B, this was point A. What was P? P was equal to mu2 minus mu1 by R. Now for P2, P2 is equal to mu2, mu2 become 1. So mu2, that is 1 minus mu1. What is mu1? mu1 is mu. So P2 minus mu by R2. Why R2? Because R2 was the radius of curvature for this surface, and R1 was the radius of curvature for this. That was assumed in the starting of the article. So what now P1? What about P1? P1 is equal to mu2. So P1, mu2 will become mu, and mu1 will become 1. That is for air. So P2 will become mu2, that is mu, minus mu1, that is 1, divided by R1, that is radius of curvature for first surface. Now coming back to the article. So we were at equation 3.35, that is system matrix for thick lens. Now for thin lens, what we are going to do, we need to deal with this T. T was the thickness of the lens. So when T tends to 0, that is the thickness is negligible. That will be the case for thin lens. For thin lens, we will use T tends to 0. So this equation 3.35 will be turns into 3.36 by putting T is equal to 0 in the above equation. And now putting the value of P1 and P2, we have already calculated. This is P2, this is P1. So P2 we can write it as mu minus 1 by R2, but with negative sign. We can use this also as P2. Now putting the value of P1 and P2 in this equation, in this matrix, this is belongs to P1, this belongs to P2. Now we get this, taking mu minus 1 common, this turns out to be this, and for thin, the system matrix will easily become 1 0 1 minus 1 by f, minus 1 by f. Why 1 by f? Because we know 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 minus r1 minus 1 by r2. That is a famous equation. So we have derived system matrix for thin lens, and system matrix for thick lens was equal to this, that is equation 3.35. So thank you very much.